Luce Haynes.
And I'm Remy Dang.
And we go to Shorecrest High School.
We are both in the 10th grade at Shorecrest High School in Shoreline, Washington, and are currently taking honors biology.
Okay, I'm Stella Kidangi.
She is in Form 3 at Burra Girls High School in Kenya. We teamed up to discover how HIV/AIDS affects not only our communities, but the entire world. At the end of 2009, about 33 million people were living with HIV/AIDS. The majority of infected people, about 22.5 million people, lived in sub-Saharan Africa. HIV/AIDS is transferred through unprotected sexual intercourse, from mother to child, or through infected drug needles. The human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, is a group of cells that team up to invade healthy CD4 cells, and then replicate itself to spread and attack other healthy cells. Once the virus infects the individual cells, it turns into acquired immune deficiency syndrome, AIDS. HIV/AIDS is an incurable disease that has killed more than 25 million people in the last 15 years. Our partner, Stella Kidangi, helped us to learn more about HIV/AIDS.
I'm here to interview her about HIV, so stay tuned. Okay, Sister Charity, maybe you can tell me how many people on average do you test for HIV in a month's time?
Okay, in a month we get allowed 2 to 3 people who are HIV positive.
Okay. Are most people couples, teenagers, or old people?
Okay, majority are couples. Yeah.
Okay. And then, for example, how do you advise people with HIV? For example, the negative ones, the people who are found to be positive, how do you advise them?
Okay, for those who comes, they are tested, they get negative. We advise them to come back after 3 months, they get another test to confirm. If we test them, they get positive, we advise them to start coming for a special clinic for HIV, whereby they will be done something we call the screening of the blood will be done, there are some tests will be done, and then the patient will be started on antiretroviral drugs.
HIV, want to alert?
Yes. The method.
The rates of infection have been going down, but HIV/AIDS is still rampant around the world. In 2011, the United States government spent $20.4 billion on HIV/AIDS funding. Only 4% of that money went toward prevention. The rest of the money went toward care, housing and assistance, and research. There are many organizations around the world, from San Francisco to the Republic of Congo, that are working to raise awareness and prevent the spread of HIV/AIDS. Here in Washington, the Seattle area support groups host citywide events, such as the Seattle AIDS Walk, which raises money for research and care. This project has opened our eyes to the fact that HIV/AIDS affects not only our community, but the entire world. Together, we can work to raise awareness and help save lives.
I learned a lot about HIV in St. Joseph's Dispensary with Sister Charity. Also, I learned of how HIV has affected people and how people take the news. Some people are afraid, but the nurses here know how to control the people. And also, they say some challenges is that some people are not volunteering to go get tested. And also the equipment, they don't have a HIV testing equipment. That's the main challenge they face. So it was really fun getting to know about HIV like that.